Attention, please. The show starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay class, don't forget to study and do the tutorial question that I posted in the GC.
Okay, madam. Do we have to submit our work in Google Classroom?
No need, we will discuss the answer together during next class.
Alright, madam, noted.
Oh, guys, let's do the vision together, is it better?
What if we speak up the current topic?
Yes, we should. We can understand more about this topic. And let's give it our best.
Okay, I will choose resident status of trade association.
I choose definition and condition. I will choose sources of income and special condition.
Okay, so I'll go with income tax exemption.
Alright, in that case, let's in this again.
Alright. Hi guys, sorry for being late.
It's okay, we're just here. Alright, let's start our discussion.
Sure.
Okay, so for us to understand better about trade associations in Malaysia, we have to know the exact definition, right? So basically, a trade associations, in my findings, any association of individuals, partnership, or individuals and partnerships from primarily for the purpose of promoting or safeguarding the business of its members. Its objectives are to promote the common interest, advocate for the needs, and advance the goals of the member operating within the industry. Trade associations typically bring together companies, organizations, or individuals involved in similar businesses or professions. They offer various services and resources to their members, such as education and training programs. Examples of trade associations are National Chamber of Commerce and Industry Malaysia. So in Malaysia, the recognition of trade association involves compliance with criteria and process set by the government. Some of the general conditions are all of the members must carry on a business, and its business objective must be that of safeguarding or promoting the business of its members. However, the organization will not be regarded as a trade association if an organization's membership is open not only to those who are in business, but also to those who are under employment.
Oh, I understand. What about the resident status?
Okay. For resident status of a trade association in Malaysia is determined based on tests outlined in paragraph 8 subsection B, paragraph 8 subsection 1 subsection B, and paragraph 8 subsection 1 subsection C of the Income Tax Act, which is ITAA. These tests are similar to those used for determining the resident status of a company. Resident status of a trade association is determined by reference to the management and control of its affairs of business. If the management and control of its affairs of business at any time during the calendar year is exercised in Malaysia, then the trade association is resident in Malaysia. Once the resident status has been established for basis year for a year of assessment, it shall be presumed until the contrary if proved that the trade association is resident in Malaysia for the purposes of the ITA for the basis year of every subsequent year of assessment.
Can you explain the concept of management and control in the context of the trade association, resident status? I don't really understand about that.
Okay, for the management and control, it refers to the authority and power exercised over the trade association's business operations. If at any time during the basis year for a year of assessment, the management and control of the trade association's business or affairs are exercised in Malaysia by its controlling authority, the association is considered resident in Malaysia. You get it?
Alright, I understand.
Alright, it's my turn for sources of income and special donations. Income are derived from business, rent and any classes of incomes under Section 4 of the ITA by a trade association is assessed similarly to any other individual or entity. In addition, a trade association in Malaysia is deemed to have a business source for any amount receivable, including interest fees and subscriptions. The basis year is considered the basis period for this deemed business.
Interesting. How about expenditures? Are they treated any differently?
Yes, that's right. All outgoings and expenditure connect with revenue received from the deemed business source as incurred in the production of gross income. These expenditures are generally allowable in arriving at the adjusted income or loss. They specify this allowance under Section 39 of the ITA.
I have a question. What about special donations and subscriptions? Do they follow the same rules?
Yes, good question. Trade associations often receive special donations or subscription for specific purposes such as birthing or anniversary funds. Special donation for birthing funds like reconstructing a building are considered capital receipt, and related expenditure are treated as capital expenditure. On the other hand, special subscription for an anniversary fund are typically of an income nature, and expenditures related to anniversary festivities are treated as revenue expenditure.
Oh, I get it now. Okay, last but not least, income tax exemption.
Alright, for income tax exemption, statutory income derived from member subscription fee in the basis period for year of assessment shall be exempted from tax. Entrance fee also remain to be tested. However, a portion of common revenue expenses and capital allowance will be restricted on the proportion of gross income basis. The amount of statutory income shall consist of the amount of gross income from the trade association's member subscription fee in the basis period of year assessment, reduced by any amount of expenses incurred in the production of that income and by any allowance falling to be made pursuant to Schedule 3 of the ITA in respect of their income. The amount of expenses and allowance The amount of expenses and allowance referred to above shall include an amount of expenses and allowance which are common to the income exempt and other non-exempt income which amount shall be determined in relation to expense and allowance.
Sorry, I have a question. Is there any formula to calculate the expenses and the allowances?
Yes, there is a formula. So the formula for the expenses basically is common revenue expenses times with gross income from its member subscription fee divided by gross income from its business source. And for the allowance, common capital allowance times with gross income from its member subscription fees divided by gross business income also.
I see. Alright, we are done with our discussion. Is there anything you want to add?
I think that's all for this topic.
If that's the case, you can call it a day. It's already late.
Alright, see you in the next class.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum class.
Waalaikumsalam, madam.
Before we start our class, let me take attendance first. Arif Daniel,
Yes, madam.
Ismahani,
Yes, madam.
Nurin Najwa,
Yes, madam.
Nurdiana.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Have you done the tutorial question that I gave last week?
Madam, I can do it, but I didn't get the final answer.
Me too, madam.
It's okay. Let's discuss together. Okay class, let's go through the question.
Gelang Best Food Trader Association was set up on 1st January 2021 to promote the interest of its members on food trading. The income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2021 is as follows. The income are members subscription fee 1 million, seminar fee 500,000, trade association activities 300,000, general contributions 200,000, and dividend income at gross 100,000. Expenditure, there are director fee, employees remuneration, consultant fee, rental of seminar hall, food, transport, stationery, and surplus of income over expenditure amount of 1,600,000. Common expenses relating to trade association business are director fee, employees remuneration, transport and stationery, capital allowance 500,000. First, we need to find the common expenses. Director fee, employees remuneration, transport and stationery, we will get 200,000. Attribute to all the income except for dividend income at gross. Member subscription fee, we will get 100,000, seminar fee 50,000, trade association 30,000, and general contributions 20,000. Second, we need to find common capital allowances. Attribute to all income except for dividend income at gross. Member subscription fee will get 250,000, seminar fee 125,000, trade association 75,000, and general contributions 50,000. Next, the calculation of sustainable income for the year of assessment 2021. We need to find the statutory income for each income except for dividend income at gross. For member subscription fee, we will get 650,000, but it will be exempted. Statutory income from seminar fee, we will get 125,000. There is a few expenses that will be included, which are rental for seminar hall, food, and common expenses. Statutory income from trade association activities, we will get 95,000 ringgit. Last but not least, statutory income from general contributions is 130,000. How to find the total chargeable income? Total chargeable income will sum up all the income except for member subscription fee and dividend income at gross. Statutory income from seminar fee is 125,000. Statutory income from trade association 95,000. Statutory income from general contributions 130,000. So the total of chargeable income is 350,000.
Oh, I see. Understood, madam.
Any question? No, madam. Okay, that's all for today. Next week, we will proceed to another topic, which is tax investigation.
Alright, thank you, madam.
Madam.
Thank you, madam.